The GPS tags show Group C is clear. Keep them moving toward the ramp.
All right, opening the gate now.
The intake numbers look consistent with the projection.
Yes, and the absorption rate seems optimal.
Scan complete, temperature and weight readings are stable.
Confirmed. Moving to the next group now.
Watch the angle right there. Got it. Steady now.
The Red Brahman Bull leather passes through a shaving machine that uses a helical blade cylinder to ensure every hide is exactly 2.0 millimeters thick. Oils and fats are infused into the Red Brahman Bull leather fibers within the rotating drums to ensure the finished boots will be flexible and durable. Heated vacuum plates suck out the moisture, keeping the hide perfectly smooth. This prevents shrinkage and maintains the surface area of the Red Brahman Bull leather.
found a slight variation right here.
Yes, that won't pass prime. We'll have to trim around it.
Agreed. The rest looks excellent, though.
The edges of the cut Red Brahman Bull leather pieces are thinned down using a skiving machine so they can be folded and stitched without becoming too bulky. A soft, breathable inner lining is carefully glued and pressed onto the back of the Red Brahman Bull leather panels, adding crucial structure and comfort to the boot components. Using the Goodyear welt method, a heavy-duty stitching machine joins the Red Brahman Bull leather upper to a thick rubber sole. This ensures the boots are nearly indestructible.
Each Red Brahman Bull leather boot is hand inspected by a specialist who checks the stitching, the sole bond, and the leather grain.
Classmen. Each Red Brahman Bull leather boot is hand inspected by a male African-American specialist who checks the stitching, the
There they are. The stitching is flawless on this pair.
Perfect. I'll make sure the display lighting highlights the color.
Look at the craftsmanship on these. The stitching is flawless.
And the color, truly rich. I've never seen leather quite like this.
Perfect. Red Brahman Bull premium boots. Enjoy your purchase.